Welcome back to Quick Assist. If your Huawei MatePad Air is frozen, unresponsive, or the screen won't turn back on, here's how to do a forced restart. So basically, all we have to do is, you'll see the power button on the side or on top, and then you'll see the volume up and down button. That's all what we're going to be using. So press and hold down the power button first, right here. We're holding it down. And it should take us to another screen. Okay, here we go. Now, from here, what we're going to want to do is hold the up and the power button. I'm going to turn it vertical just so it looks better. Okay, so, oops, I took a screenshot. So now I'm hold for 10 seconds. And there we go. So then you can let go and it will now do a forced restart. Yeah, so just make sure you ignore anything that goes on the screen like that, how I accidentally did a screenshot. And then when the Huawei logo appears, release the button. Your Huawei MatePad Air will now restart, and that's how you do a forced restart with your Huawei MatePad Air. If this video has helped, please consider liking or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.